Hi guys, so we're going to start this with a Here Comes Amazon sticker. So the sticker kit actually came from, I believe it's DPC Digitals. I'll try and link them down below in the description box. But it's a Amazon sticker, which I think is so cute. And then I'm going to use a Stop Cookie Time sticker on the 24th because of course it's Christmas Eve and you got to make cookies for Santa. The next sticker I'm going to grab is the Slay All Day, and I'm just going to put that on December the 26th just because I really wanted to kind of amp up this Christmas spread, just because it's the last time that really, I'll be able to use Christmas ones. Now I'm going in with a Get Paid sticker just as a reminder that Monday is payday. And then I'm going to put in a Plan All the Things sticker because I do try to do a lot of my planning on Sundays. Now I'm just going to go in and grab this weekend sticker, and I'm going to put that over Saturday and Sunday because that's the weekend and I just think it's very cute and festive. By the way, if you guys would like a full-blown plan out with me, like a planner video, let me know. I don't know if that's really a thing for other people, but if you guys would like a plan with me, like a true plan with me daily kind of thing, I'd be happy to film that. What I'm doing here is just grabbing a work sticker as a reminder that Wednesday is actually a half day for me, so I'm only working from 8:30 to 1, and then I'll actually get off early, so thankfully I should be done with Christmas gifts, but in case I'm not, I'll have the option to do that on Wednesday too. Now I'm just grabbing this to-do sticker and sticking it over on the side so that I can remind myself, and typically I like to fill in during the week things that I need to do. The next thing I'm doing is just grabbing this banner and I'm just putting that on the week, just kind of as a decoration because again, this is the last of the holiday season, so I want to kind of amp up this week here. Now I'm going to grab this So Merry sticker and put it on the right hand side, and left hand side. Anyways, I'm just putting this down here, and I would have used it for the full size, but I kind of do need to write in some to-do, so I didn't want to make it too big so that I couldn't write stuff in. And then with some of her kits, you can actually create your own scenes with the digital stickers, which isn't really my vibe, but I know some people do like to do that, so they do have that option available. So I'm just closing out those two because I'm not going to be doing that in this planner. Now I'm just grabbing some flags to help again decorate the planner because I like my planner to look super cute, and again it is Christmas, so yeah, I'm just putting those in on Monday just because, and then on Friday because it's Christmas. And this planner is actually a Erin Condren digital dupe that is available in my shop, so, and I have a 2021 planner available, so if you are interested, definitely check the description box because I do have that available. Now I'm just going in with my daily stickers to cover up the days, not because they aren't cute, but just because, again, I want it to be festive and super pretty to look at. So I'm just going in, putting those on the days and numbers, and I'm actually going to grab some number stickers here in a minute. You guys will see where I grabbed those so that I can renumber the days, but I just wanted it to look more festive. And can we take a shot for how many times I say more festive in this video though? Alright, so now I'm just grabbing these cute little ornament stickers, and I'm going to grab the light green versions and put those over here. Now with GoodNotes, it is a layer system, so had I grabbed the numbers before I grabbed the days of the week, you would have seen where the days of the week would cover up the numbers, so you definitely want to grab the weekdays first and then grab your number stickers, because with these you can't really, there is a workaround to it, but it's just easier to try and grab them and layer them as you want them to appear in the planner. So whatever you're putting on the bottom, put that on first. Now I'm just going in and changing my color of my pen, and I'm going to just write stuff in. First thing I wrote in was just I need to pick up some last minute Christmas gifts because there are a few things that I couldn't find online, so I think I'm just gonna have to go pick up in stores. So I want to get that done probably Monday because maybe it's not gonna be as crazy out, I'm hoping. And then the next thing I wrote in my planner was to make some truffles because we close on Wednesday, and after that we won't come back until the new year, so I want to make my coworkers some truffles as a Christmas gift. And then I just wrote in flavors because I really don't know what flavors I want to make them yet. So I just wrote that in my planner. Next, I wrote a note that just said Miles and the gingerbread train, because we're gonna try and make a gingerbread train this year. So I'm really excited for me and Miles to do that together. And then I just wrote another note for half day at work, because I might forget. I don't know. I like being extra sometimes. All right, next I'm gonna go in and just write a note that my sister comes home on Wednesday, so we are going to do some more like putting our gifts together. And then I just wrote a note that I do have a hair video that is going up on Wednesday, so if you're interested in that, definitely come back and check it out. But yeah, just about my hair extensions that I just put in, and I'm just kind of removing things around here and adjusting. Alright, so then I just wrote in holiday photos, because we do have to take Christmas pictures, but because everybody won't be around until pretty much the 23rd, I'm going to schedule us for the 24th to get those done. And then I'm just writing a note for the Plan With Me video, and that I want to make sure it goes live on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and also on YouTube, because I try to upload to all different platforms to appeal to a bunch of different people. But yeah, just put that note in there. And then I'm going to put in a note about ordering some more lash materials for my lash business, and then also to send a email, because I did place an order for some stuff and I still have not gotten a shipment confirmation, and I think it's been like a week. So I just want to remind myself to send a gentle email asking, when my order will be ready. And now I'm just going over here to fill in some of my to-dos. So I'm working on a new planner. It's going to be an all-in-one planner, and it is taking me forever to get this done, but I just want to remind myself I need to go in and number the months, and then hyperlink the weeks and hyperlink the days, because it is a all-in-one. So it has daily pages, it has weekly pages, and it has monthly pages. And I just want to make sure that I get all of that done, because I do kind of want to post it in the shop before the end of the year. So I'm kind of giving myself some timelines to get things done, like Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And then I'm just writing in some ideas about last minute gifts that I want to pick up for a few people. And I believe that's all that I had to put in the planner for now. So thanks for watching.